Good afternoon, everybody. So magchika sa ta before I'm going to start my preparation for tonight because I think I already shared to all of you that this week, particularly on Tuesday, na ako'y class demonstration and that's my final for the school year. So kailangan gito itong pangandaman because it was given to me, or the date or the schedule was given to me few months ago. So ang expectation nila na medyo higher po as to how we are going to execute our lesson. But most of the time, I don't want to prepare much because I want to show to them kung unsag yun na sa akong classroom, no, whenever I do my class. Di ko mag-pretend nga perfect yun ko. Mugaling classroom demonstration kay naatay something nga ipa-correct sa atong performance. Okay, kung mag-perfect ta, unsa nalailang i-correct, di ba? So, ano na kasimple diha? Mahadlok ka, pero at the same time, kailangan magpakatotoo lang ka. Whatever you can do in the class, at least effort ka to show to them nga prepare, that's enough already. So by the way, while I am putting my sunscreen on my face, naatay chika karon because I got a message from one of my friends yesterday, og dili lang siya ang first ever nga nangutanan ako ani. Ningon siya sa ako nga, "Sir, grabe na lagi kaayo ka-expressive karon sa Facebook. Kana bang wala na daw ko'y preno, wala na ko'y control. Kung ansay akong gusto isulti, grabe na daw kaayo ko ka-vulgar sa Facebook." Which is totoo naman. I think you can observe that one, right? Few months ago or even a few years ago, nagsigi na jud ko og create og content, and then one of the contents nga akong gina-portray is ang mga complain ako sa Philippines before that I don't have the opportunity to speak about it. Because napa ko sa Philippines, and once you are part of, for example, Department of Education, di maka pwede mag-istorya negative things about them. Mo man ay kultura sa tong country. Mura bitaw ka na bang nag-expect sila or they wanna portray nga perfect ang Philippines, walay dapat i-correct because wala man tay karapatan nga mag-istorya, no? Sa mga butang nga wa ta ganahi. Kay kung mutingog ta, mo post tag negative, ang atong mga heads kay mo PM man sa atua nga ang atong gi-post is too much already. So how can we correct the chronic problems of our country, especially sa atong Department of Education, kanang atong learners karon? Unsaon to pag-change o correct sa sistema nga dili man niyo paminawon ang mga yaw-yaw sa mga naa mismo sa actual. Gipaningot naman noon ko. No, kana bang mga teachers nga maogi nagsagubang sa mga problema. No, wala muy time to listen kay ang inyo, let us be positive. Unsay positive? There are ways we can do to change that. There are things we can do to change the system para mahimo siyang better. Daghay pa maagi pero bungol, buta, libat, unsa pa mga kapansanan diha just because we wanna portray nga ang ato ang educational system is perfect. Muna siya. So ang mga dili kagwanta mo abroad na lang gyud, no? Manggawas na lang sa Philippines just because they cannot handle such system nga ilahang gidwell karon. Muna siya. So kung mangutanan ka sa ako, "Sir, nganong vulgar naman ka ikakaroon sa imuhang social media account?" That is because nagkaroon ako ng chance to speak about what I want to say. Kay karon I'm no longer connected sa government or sa Department of Education. I'm connected to the other part of the world. So definitely whatever I want to say, I have the freedom, the right to speak about it. And hopefully I can inspire people to also work out and speak about something that is not good in the educational system of the Philippines. It's not because naghinambog ko, naghinilas ko, just kay naanak ko diri akaron, I have money already, gwapo akong income, competitive akong salary. Dili na mo a reason. It's only because I already have freedom to speak about something that is not good in the country. That's all.